Okay, students, I wanted to do a couple problems with you on this, and hopefully the glare doesn't get too much in your way. I tried to move the computer around, and if I go a certain way, then hopefully it blocks out the light. Okay, so here we're going to go do number 13 on page 150 regular and 162 in honors. The D, we want to find the common difference. First, we have this arithmetic sequence, 18 to negative 2. If we're not sure how to find it, we take the second term, negative 2, and minus the first term. If I go negative 2 minus 18, I get negative 20. Okay, and I was actually going to use a different color marker for that. So we'll go negative 20 here. Okay, so now we can find our explicit formula over here. It says it's a to the n equals a to the 1 plus d times n minus 1. And actually, I like to use this second formula right here, but we have to find term 0. So remember how we find term 0? That is going to be if we take this first term and instead of minus 20, we're going to add 20. So if I add 20 to 18, I'm going to get a sub 0 equals 38. Okay? So a to the n equals 38 plus our d is negative 20 n. Okay? So now instead of plus a negative, I'm going to write 38 minus 20n. And I'm all done with that. Okay? Let me do one more just because I think this is pretty complicated. I'll do one more. Okay. Here's number 14 on the same page, 150, regular 162 honors. Okay. So we're going to say, how do you go from 22 to 29? We're going to add 7. And I just might have to do Christmas colors. 29 plus 7 is 36, plus 7 is 43. So we see that the common difference is 7. Okay? Now, I could use this one. I could use this formula, but for me, this is much easier. So I'm going to figure out a to the 0 right here, and instead of add 7, I'm going to subtract 7. So 22 subtract 7 is 15. So it equals 15. Okay? So my explicit formula is going to be 15 plus 7n. Okay? Now I also need to find f of 52. I forgot to write that down on the other one. So what I have to do is put 52 in for n. So I take my handy dandy calculator and I go 52 times 7, because multiplication is before addition in math, 364, and I add 15. And that gives me 379. Hopefully there's not too much glare on that. So f of 52 equals 379. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this one right here, and I'm going to find a of 52. And again, I put the 52 in for my n right here. So I go 20 negative times 52, and I get negative 1040, and I'm going to go plus 38. And that should give me my answer, negative 1002. Okay, you can finish the next page. You can do this, students. You rock.